Hey, so today I want to take a quick trip to Costco to see what they have for outdoor furniture, indoor furniture. These planters, they had them last year. I love these. So if you have a chance to get these and you have the space, they are 22 inches and they are just nice, big, and they just have this high-end kind of look. This gazebo right here, $1,900. I love how they decorated it this year. So they have the little string lights up. They have the little screen on the side there. If you can see it, it's just poking out just a little bit, and then I'll show it to you later. They have it on the other side. They have this set right here, so it's all 5 pieces. It's a fire pit table for 23 with 22.50. And they had something like this at Home Goods. I'm not sure if the table was a fire pit table though. So if you're looking for a fire pit table, this one is good. This dining set, and of course it has the piece in the middle for the umbrella, and it was on sale, $300 off. So that was $1,100 right there, and you get all of the chairs and the table for this. A nice simple look in the neutral colors that'll go in a lot of places. Another fire pit table set. So this one is higher, the chairs are higher, but this one was on sale too, and this one was $1,700. So you get $300 off of this one. And again, I said it's a fire pit, so you get the little fire pit in the middle of the table there with the little closure. This another set for outside. So this comes with the sofa, the 2 chairs, and the table. And these chairs, they swivel. So these are swivel chairs, which is great. I love a swivel chair. And it's again a nice neutral, simple color that'll go with a lot of different spaces, and it'll fit in real nice. This set right here, so all of them you see they kind of look the same, colors and stuff like that. So this one came with the 2 chairs, the 2 sofas, and the table, and it's a fire pit table too, and that one was $500 off, so $2,500 for this one right here. Again, the 2 chairs and those swivel too, the 2 sofas, and that big table there in the middle. And then it came in these big boxes. So with all of this stuff, if you're picking it up at Costco, be prepared to figure out how you're going to move it, because the boxes are big. So you want to figure out how you're going to move those. This I thought was interesting because it looked like a little barrel, but it's a fire pit table. So $450 for that one. And it says wine barrel. So it looks like a little barrel. And then, like I said, it's the fire pit table. So it has a little top on it. I just thought that was interesting. So if you're looking for something different in your fire pit table, you might want to grab one of those. We saw this set before because I showed you the little angled table, which I think is cute, how it fits, perfectly in between the 2 chairs there. That set is $1,000. It does recline, and it's real easy to recline because I didn't even have to sit in it to get it to recline. I just pushed the top with one hand, and it started to recline. So you can get 2 recliners and that cute little table for the $1,000 at Costco right now. This one has a nice little pop of blue. The table is different on this one right here, and I think these are swivel chairs. It was kind of blocked, so it was hard to really test it out. But you're going to get both of those for $700. And then the blue is cute, and these something different than the other colors that we did see. So if you're looking for some color in your backyard, you might want to grab that. This I was confused. Okay, so they had this one $3,000, right? But the box, I don't think the box was there, because I think that's the box to this. So they have, or I don't know if that was something we saw, but so they had the sign there, but not the actual set. But this set right here comes with the 2 swivel chairs, the table, and it is $2,300 for that one right there. So that one is another one in the neutral colors that you might want to take a look at. Another just nice and simple one. So that one is nice too. But just a lot of cute little outdoor sets they had right now. They have some individual pieces. So this one right here, nice and low, big arms, right? So you can relax. You can put a drink up there. This is 2 separate set pieces. So the chair is $140, and then the footrest is $50. So you can buy them both together, but you have to pay, separate, because they are 2 separate. So you want to make sure you grab both boxes if you want to get that. Lounge chairs, shades. So they had this one right here. This goes with a lot of the different sets that they had, and that one was $200. And then, of course, they had the other chair over there. We'll get a better look when we go to the other side for that one. But this one is really nice and simple, only $200. They have this right here. So They have the umbrellas. So they say this umbrella is $6.20. Then they have this umbrella right here, and this one you see has little vents and stuff in it. I think this is that one, and I think the other one is the one over there, like in the far corner. So this one is $2.19. So they're two different ones. This umbrella right here, I think, is in the blue on the other side, but they have a lot of different umbrella choices. This is the chair that the other chair over there if you want. So that's like the back of it right there, and then the cushions are sold separately. So we're gonna get a better look at it still though. This chair right here, so $34, and then you can buy the table. So each chair is $34, and then the table and has the umbrella hole in it right there, and the table is sold separately. So you can get the table for $58, and then you can put as many chairs as you want with it. This is a base, and then the umbrella that I think is the other umbrella, the brown one. So yeah. So that one is $150, I believe, for this one right here, and then the base is $60. So yeah, they had a lot of different umbrella choices. Some of them were solar, some of them were not. Throw pillows, and then these are the cushions that were on the other chair, which again we'll see it all together when we go on the other side. And then they have the throw pillows for like $11, but you can it probably will really fit any standard cushion. This little swing set right here for $6.50, and it has a little canopy on it, and then it has like the dark color weaving. That's nice, and it goes together real nice and cute, and it'll fit about 2-3 people, maybe even 4 people on that. So that's something nice. This fire pit right here, so this is like a nice size, and that one was $400, and it has that concrete look to it. That's nice. And then this is the shade. So this is how it looks. So that's the shade that was on the gazebo. It's lightweight. It's a pretty little like grayish kind of color. You can see it's real long because those are the boxes there. Again, you're not going to fit that in your small car, so you gotta find a way to get that home. These I thought were great. So if you want to do your floors outside, but you don't want to do your floors outside, so you get a pack of 10 for $20. It's a nice black, so it should go with a lot of different spaces. So yeah, you might want to grab that. IKEA does something like that too, but it's not in the black. This bench right here, really nice and long, and you can see they got it set up at like a soccer game. So you can use this at a lot of different places. $40 for that right there. And then they have a little picnic table. And this one was $180. I like these kind of material picnic tables because it looks like around the size of maybe a little smaller when you go to the park, but it's not wood, so it'll keep nice. And then it has the little umbrella hole in the middle too, so you can attach an umbrella to it if you want. And it's a nice neutral color. All of these are nice neutral colors. They'll go with a lot of different spaces. So if you're looking for a picnic table, you might want to grab that. This is a rocking chair. It's a standard kind of rocking chair, but I like how it's two-tone, so you can see it has two different colors. And that one is $190. So it has like a grayish, and then it has like a white. So I thought that was super nice. And then of course they have that other chair that they always have, and then the little table that goes with it. I didn't take it out to see how it lines up with each other, but I'm assuming it lines up well, and the chair folds away nice. But they had that same chair before. So $28 for the little side table and $60 for the chair. And I just always think these are pretty when I see those, so you might want to grab that. And then this is a good look at that chair. So that's the chair with the cushion over there. These planters, super cute. So that is $57 for that one right there, and it's a concrete one, and it's nice and big, that one right there. And then these in the nice little colors. So they had these in the two colors when I went. So this blue and then kind of like a teal blue, and those are $50 for those, and they're nice and big like the other ones. This I didn't even realize until I looked at it a couple times, but 2150, and it's the planners, but it's a pack of 3. So you get 3 of them for the 2150. So if you're looking for some planners, you can get 3 for 2150, and put some of these in it. So they have a bunch of different seasonal like plants and different things. I don't know too much about plants, but I'm assuming you get, so it's $20. I'm assuming you get all the little things on the pictures there, and you could, set that all up. And they had different type ones, so you might want to grab those. And then they had these right here, which I think are just one type of plant. And then these were $14, so you can get three different looking like ones, or you can get a singular one. I don't know how many you get out of it though. This dining table, and it has a little leaf in the middle, so you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. And that one was $600 for that. And it comes with the nice neutral type chairs. And as I'm looking, I'm noticing I think the table was chipped. So you might want to be careful with that. It might be a laminate top on that. This right here, we've seen it before, but it's just so cute. But so it's $300 for this, and it's a nice size console table, 67 inches, and $300 is not bad at all for a console table. But you have to be, another one you got to be careful with, because I thought it was like distressing, but it was separating right there, so I don't know if the whole pane would come off. This office chair, 110 for that. These little lounge chairs right here, so they were $40 for those. We saw that on the picnic table over there. Little recliners, so this is a recliner, so it does recline. And that one is $500 for that one right there, and it's just like a dark kind of charcoal gray. This little nightstand, we've seen this before too, but it's just a nice neutral black, and that one is $130 for that one. So if you're looking for a little tiny nightstand, you might want to grab that. This sofa, I think they were all going. You see the empty pallet there, so but they were $500. So if you can find it, $500 for, it's a nice plush looking sofa. This right here is a little futon. So you can configure it different ways. You can lay it flat. You could put up one side down. You see it looks like a little bed propped up there. $600 for that one, and it came in that brown color at my Costco. So if you're looking for a little futon, a little conversion sofa, you might want to grab that. This is another recliner here for $700. You can see the little controls on the side of that one. This vanity, so they always have a lot of cute little vanities for your bathroom and stuff, with a lot of storage. So it's like a cute little white, and that one was $530 for that one. It says 36 inches, and again, a lot of storage. These planters, they say you just got to add some water, and whatever the picture is, you're going to get that kind of flower. So $28. So it's making it seem simple. This desk, it was a large size desk too. A lot of drawers on it. $200 for that one right there. So if you're looking for a desk, you might want to grab that, because it was a real good size. And then this one right here, I'm looking for an L-shaped desk. This one, I'm thinking about. At first, it threw me off because it's $200. That's not a bad price at all. That's a good price. But I only saw one drawer, and so I was like, "Where else do you put your stuff?" Because and you need more than one drawer. So I was trying to lift up to see if there was storage in there. It does have a little lift to it. I couldn't get it open, and then I finally actually read, because the sign did say lift. It's a lift desk. So it does have probably storage in there, but you can lift it up. So it's one of those stand and work desk, and then lower it, just like this one is a stand desk too. So you can lift that one up too. They've had this one for a while, because I always see that one too, and that one is $300. So they have a few different desk options if you're looking for a desk right now. These doormats right here are $16, and they're a big size, so they're 30 by 45, and they came in all these different colors and prints. So you might want to grab those. They might be good for layering too. These non-skid floor runners right here, I think these are pretty. They're really nice, neutral, can go with a lot of different spaces. So if you're looking for some outdoor furniture, some indoor furniture, some rugs, what if Costco has a lot of good stuff in right now. They have rugs further down, but we saw those in the last video, and it was crowded today. So again, you might want to head over to Costco and pick up some of these things.